constant sorrow all through his days. Constant sorrow, watching trouble on my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. The place where he was born and
Hello, my friends!
friends to help him now. Traveling down this road, and how my soul is gone astray. I can feel it like a bullet, no matter where I tread. All my days I have been running from these ghosts within my head. You can bury me in some deep valley for many years where I may lay.
Ooh. My mom's gonna kill me, I swear. Since we're not using these at the moment, we can power off the rear speakers. Ghost of eternity, Valhalla calling me. The stings of destiny, Valhalla calling me, Valhalla calling me.
Fields are shattered into space.
there's brackets for these two. What happened? Start the video off with a blast here, people. I was voice play with Valhalla, Calling, Miracle of Sound, a cappella, and also Band of Constant Sorrow, G of Acosta Luki. Oh well, so we are back today. You've probably already seen a few clips, so I'll probably pop in some clips from last night of setting this thing up. So yeah, so basically today we're going to be doing all kinds of various ass stuff. I guess. So basically what's going to happen today is that this place is going to need to be vacuumed. It's going to have to happen. And no, this one did not fall down while testing. Totally not. So yeah, this is the JBL bar. So we've just put in these magnetic covers where the side channels would attach, since the side channels are too long and we can't really move the TV further back, so really she need a wider bench, something. I think that one's maybe a little bit longer than this one, so that would be more appropriate probably. But basically what's going to happen today is a little bit of everything. We need to clean, or not directly clean, but do various of things. Vacuum the house, put up the new fire alarms. By any luck, that's not too much to ask for. Tiny little buggers. More in here, not really. These we probably don't need, but here we are. So these are the new fire alarms or smoke detectors. By any luck, these are actually bedded now. Oh! Wait a minute. These are chargeable ones? Beregnet brukstid på 5 til 10 år. Oh! Okay. Fancy. So, fire alarm. Fire alarm. And the fire alarm or smoke detector, quote unquote. Then I have this one here because let's just say this ain't like the other ones, quote unquote. Utseende och board, bla 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 bla, teknisk. Placeringer som bør unngås. Smart Home Wi-Fi styringsapp. Aha, so you're to okay, so all of these have their own specific QR code. Okay, so that's the code we gotta register in the app. The link is no longer available. Okay, so okay, well, we're gonna have to do that eventually too, but this is the these ones, it seems. Please add a gateway first. Well, I don't have a gateway. Oh well. Velg vilkår som master. Den andre røykvarsler slaver. De tok en pull på master til lionen lyser grønt. Okay. Greit. So either these are gonna start beeping or not. So well, really, we need to put this one, but I'm guessing she does not want any fire alarms in here. She wants one in the cellar, one upstairs, and one in the hallway. Which means I'm guessing the one that's gonna replace that one, which is gonna be that one, is gonna end up being the master. And then that's gonna be a slave, and that's gonna be a slave. That's probably appropriate. Okay, we are back. I've been inside to the neighbors and warned them, if you will, that it's about to be ow. Thank you. And warn them that the fire alarm may go off. And just so I don't lose my ears here, I'm gonna take and just plug these in. So, master, master, slave. So this is gonna be the master. So there is the bastard. Here is the slave for the cellar. So if I have read this shit correctly, you're supposed to double click learn on this one. So you are the slave, then the cellar is slave 1. And then we press the learn button. Then we hold the test button on the slave, on the master. Okay. Hello folks, I'm back. And I have been cleaning, we could say. Was this real? Or was this fake? I think this one is real. Also, hello. Well, this one is apparently a little Oh boy. This leaf has seen better days. Oof. I think it was about time this one got a bit of a cut. I think. So that one definitely, and this one needs some attention. The rest of them look fairly good. Besides from a few tips on this thing. Well, here we are. Backstage, baby. Good strippers. Like really, I think this place is rowdy, if you will. For the big vacuum. I'm not gonna bother taking much care since we're gonna be running in and out here, but oh well. my makeshift barbecue. This mouse trap. I'm not gonna arm her again, but I'm just gonna smack her down in here. Because God knows how long time this one has been set. And I've kind of deep cleaned in here, so there's not really any food smell or any like rotten smell that mouse would be attracted to. So really, I would say I don't think mouses are gonna be a problem down in here anymore. At least for the time being. So let's hope on that and not set the thing up again. Okay, this place is starting to look clean again. I don't know what Electrolux's plan with this strap was, to be completely honest with you, but Grok shock, okay. I don't know. Oh well. This whole day's sweet, if I should say so myself. Okay, so I'm gonna already just trying to throw some down in here to just kind of let that sit, and then I'm gonna quote unquote do back here. And then this right goes upstairs. The same with you. That should, ingen annan teori, be all the trash we hope. Yeah, if my mom wants this one, she can take it. I think we are done. Down in here. But really now the question is, in this mess, yes, in this mess, we are taking this shit too. I got dust on my mind, and if there's one thing my mom just can't it is to take gosh darn dust. Like, look at this. I mean, I know I'm gonna hear it. Granted, I'm not the cleanest guy either. There. Sometimes it's very messy around my apartment, lot of things around the stuff, but that's things and stuff. I do try to wipe dust once in a while, at least off for like my speakers, my TV, tuner boxes, all that kind of stuff. Not only because a lot of dust is bad for electronics, but also generally because... Shit. Does she have one here too? Now this one is gonna beep, by the way. Or maybe not. Because one of the batteries was outside. Because I believe this one has one battery which drives the actual detector, which is these batteries, and then the 9-volt battery which actually drives the per se siren in the thing. But oh well. First now let's So as you can see, my GoPro did this funky thing again where it just froze up in the middle of it, and I don't think there were a proper outro to this video anyway, so I'm just gonna say thank you guys for watching and post here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, a like would be greatly appreciated, and as always, check out links down below for my socials and all that shenanigans and a half. And until further notice, stay tuned and stay awesome, and Nikolai out.